Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss exercise 1.3 of chapter 1 of real numbers of class 9th. If you didn't watch the previous exercises as well as the introduction video of real numbers, the link is in the description as well as in the comment box. Please go through that. This exercise 1.3 is completely related to successive magnification, which is one of the very easy topics as well as marks gaining topic. So the first question we have is visualize 2.874 2.874 on the number line. Visualize 2.874 on the number line. First, neatly draw a number line. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and so on. Now the given question for us is 2.874. This 2.874 lies in between 2 and 3. So concentrate only on these two numbers, 2 and 3. Now draw one more number line. We want only these two numbers, right? So that's why write only those two numbers, 2 and 3. 2 to the left corner and 3 to the rightmost corner. Now in between 2 and 3, what numbers will be there? Write in terms of decimals like 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, 2.8 and 2.9, then 3. Now if you observe the question once again, 2.874 lies between 2.874 lies between 2.8 and 2.9. Now only concentrate on those two numbers, 2.8 and 2.9. Draw the number line again. Left corner 2.8 and rightmost corner 2.9. Here comes 2.8 and here comes 2.9. 2.8 is nothing but 2.80. So then it will become 2.81, then next 2.82, then 2.83, then 2.84, then 2.85, next 2.86, then 2.87, 2.88, then it will be 2.89, then after 2.9 as usual. Now check the question again. 2.874, 2.87 lies between 2.87 and 2.88. Now these two numbers only we need to concentrate upon. Draw the number line. Leftmost corner 2.87 and rightmost corner 2.88. 2.87, 2.88. Now write all the digits in between these two. 2.871, 2.872, 2.873, then 2.874, 2.875, 2.876, 2.877, 2.878, then 2.879, 2.879, then comes 2.881, 2.882, like that. Here place is not there, so that's why I'm not able to write properly. Now we want 2.874. So where is that number 2.874? Here it is, 2.874. So this is successive magnification. Here we have 2.874. Next, let us move to the second bit. In the second bit we have 5.28 bar. 5.28 bar is nothing but 5 point for bar is for both the digits 28. So 28 is repeating 28, 28, 28 and so on. But in the question he clearly mentioned that visualize 5.28 bar on the number line up to 3 decimal places only. So till here it is enough. It means we need to represent 5.282 on the number line. 5.282. Okay, let us check it out then. Draw the number line neatly first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and so on. First, if you observe the question clearly, 5.282 lies between 5 and 6. Concentrate only on those two numbers. Now again draw a number line. Leftmost corner 5 and rightmost corner 6. Now write all the decimal places which are there in between those 5 and 6. 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, 5.4, 5.5, 5.6, 5.7, 5.8 and 5.9. Now this 5.282 is lies between 5 and 6 only. So concentrate on 5 and 6. 5 to the left side corner and 6 to the right side corner. Here actually 5.0 should be there. Okay, now again 5.282. 5.282 lies between 5.2 and 5.3. Now only concentrate on these two digits. Completely this side 5.2 and completely right side corner 5.3. Now after 5.2 it will be 5.21, then 5.22, then comes 5.23, then comes 5.24, then comes 5.25, then 5.26, then 5.27, 5.28, 5.29. Now we want a number which is 5.282. 5.282 lies between 5.28 and 5.29. Draw the number line as usual again. This 5.28 completed to the extreme left, 5.29 to the extreme right. 5.28. Here it comes 5.29. Actually you should not write like this in vertical. Here place is not sufficient. That's why I am not writing in horizontal. That's why I am writing in vertical. Actually in the exam you should not write like that. Now after 5.28 it comes 5.281. Then comes 5.282. Then comes 5.283. Then 5.284. 5.285. 5.286. 5.287. 5.288, then obviously 5.2, 5.289, then comes 5.290. Okay, 5.290 is there obviously. Now we want the exact decimal 5.282. Where is 5.282? This is 5.282, which the number which we require, 5.282. In this exercise we have only 2 problems, so those 2 problems completed. Till now if you didn't subscribe to my channel, subscribe for more videos. Thank you.